Good day, farming enthusiasts, as we explore the world of modern agricultural machines and how they're revolutionizing the farming industry. The Loopmaster Nodder is a newly patented innovation specifically designed for use with the New Holland Big Baler high-density series of balers. These models have been engineered with several technical advancements that result in a 22% increase in bale density. With the introduction of the Loopmaster Nodder, farmers can enjoy the benefits of a double knot tying system that eliminates twine waste and prevents it from getting into the bales. The New Holland Blueberry Harvesting Machine is a specialized piece of equipment used for commercial blueberry harvesting. The machine works by driving over the blueberry plants and using a set of vibrating rods to shake the berries off the bushes. The berries then fall onto a conveyor belt or other collection system and are transported to a storage or processing area. Commander 1 is a cabbage harvester designed for high-performance harvesting in large fields. It's manufactured by the Dutch company Grimm and is renowned for its efficient and reliable performance. The Commander 1 can harvest up to 60 tons of cabbage per hour and can be adjusted to harvest different types of cabbages such as red, white, and Savoy. Coweco is a Dutch manufacturer that specializes in manufacturing agricultural machinery, including slurry tankers. The company's slurry tankers are equipped with a variety of features, including advanced suspension systems, electronic controls, and powerful pumps that make them easy to operate and maintain. They come in a range of sizes to suit different farm sizes and requirements, from small to large-scale farming operations. This monster machine can dig trenches in seconds. They're made by a company called Next Trencher. They can dig holes up to 5.5 meters deep and 1.5 meters wide. The trenching machine is used to lay down water pipes and fiber optic cable. The Claas Lexion 770 is a high-performance combine harvester designed for large-scale agricultural operations. It's equipped with advanced technology that makes it one of the most efficient and productive combine harvesters on the market. It has a powerful engine and transmission system that can easily handle heavy loads, enabling the machine to operate at maximum capacity. It also features a wide header threshing system that allows for fast and effective harvesting of various crops. The CAT 365C excavator is a large, heavy-duty piece of construction equipment manufactured by Caterpillar Incorporated. This excavator is designed to handle a wide variety of tasks, from digging and earth moving to demolition and construction. It is built to handle big jobs with a maximum operating weight of over 72 metric tons. The cab is spacious and comfortable, with plenty of room for the operator to move around and adjust their position as needed. Mettrack mowers are a type of agricultural machinery used for cutting and maintaining grass and other vegetation in fields, pastures, and other outdoor areas. Mettrack mowers are known for their versatility and ease of use. One of the key features of Mettrack mowers is their compact size and maneuverability. These mowers are designed to be operated in tight spaces and narrow paths, which make them ideal for use in small farms and urban environments where space is limited. The Komatsu WA800 is a large wheel loader designed for use in heavy-duty mining and construction applications. Manufactured by Komatsu, a leading producer of heavy equipment, the WA800 is known for its impressive size and hauling capacity, as well as its advanced features and cutting-edge technology. Its combination of size, power, advanced technology, and operator-friendly design make it a popular choice for mining and construction firms around the world. Modern technologies for applying liquid fertilizers with disc tools for tillage are revolutionizing the way farmers manage their crops. Disc tools are a popular choice for tillage because they are effective at breaking up soil and creating a suitable environment for seed germination. By combining disc tools with liquid fertilizer application technology, farmers can provide crops with the nutrients they need at the right time and in the right amount. The Tesmec M5 mechanical trencher is a powerful and versatile machine designed for digging trenches in a variety of soil types and ground conditions. The M5 is a reliable and efficient solution for a range of digging applications. The John Deere walking tractor prototype is a practical machine designed for forest workers to navigate rough mountain terrain in snow and mud. It features 6 articulated legs, allowing it to move forward and backward, sideways and diagonally, and even turn in place and step over obstacles. Additionally, the machine is equipped with an intelligent computer system that controls all walking functions, including direction, speed, step height and gait, and ground clearance. With their precision and speed, modern tillage cultivators have revolutionized farming practices and made it possible to achieve higher yields with less labor. These machines use advanced technology and are designed to work in a variety of soil conditions, from hard clay to loose sand. They're highly versatile and can be adjusted to different widths and depths to suit specific crops and soil types. This is a Turtle weeding bot. Turtle controls weeds all season long with scrubbing wheels and a string trimmer. This robot is very easy to use. Just place it in the garden and press a button, and Turtle will take care of the weeds. Modern technologies are transforming agricultural work, making it easier and more enjoyable than ever. Our Kusin automatic bale loader AutoStack FSX is the world leader in the bale handling sector. Designed and equipped to work at high speeds, its advanced monitoring systems and safety sensors help prevent accidents and ensure that the machine operates smoothly and efficiently. It's easy to use, with intuitive controls and a user-friendly interface that make it simple to operate and customize to meet specific needs. Lofness Quick Trim is a powerful machine designed for trimming trees and other vegetation. Equipped with a hydraulic boom and an adjustable cutting head, this machine can reach up to 7.5 meters, making it perfect for trimming tall trees and hard-to-reach areas. This machine is designed for use in various settings, including parks, orchards, golf courses, and along roadways. John Deere is a leading manufacturer of forestry equipment, providing innovative solutions for loggers and foresters worldwide. The company's line of forestry equipment includes harvesters, forwarders, skidders, fell bunchers, and sowing machines. FarmBot Genesis is a robot for growing plants in greenhouses that performs seeding, watering, weed detection, weeding, and photo scanning. It's a metal frame equipped with a cart with replaceable nozzles for planting seeds, watering, and removing weeds. The plastic parts of the structure are printed on a 3D printer, and the robot is controlled using microcomputers. This robot can grow enough vegetables for a family of 4. Fence Solver is a robotic sowing control system and accurate accounting. The task of the Solver system is the precise planning, control, and documentation of corn sowing with the help of integrated robotics units using cloud technologies. Satellite navigation and a data management system in the cloud allow you to work around the clock with constant access to all data.